Your DoorDash Dasher email address is far more than just a login credential. It serves as the foundation of your entire contractor relationship with DoorDash. Your email address is linked to critical account functions. It receives your tax documents like 1099 forms, processes your payments and direct deposits, manages your legal contractor agreements, and serves as the primary security contact for your account. DoorDash has implemented robust security measures for email changes to protect against fraud and account takeovers. The process requires multi-step verification and identity confirmation. As of August 2025, enhanced security protocols typically complete verification within 5 to 15 minutes. To change your Dasher email, you'll need access to both your current and new email addresses. You may also need to provide a photo ID and verify personal details like your phone number and address. DoorDash has enhanced its mobile app interface and streamlined the verification process as of August 2025, making the experience more user-friendly while maintaining security. There are 3 main methods to update your DoorDash Dasher email address. Each method has specific steps and requirements. Method 1 uses the Dasher mobile app. Open your app, go to Account, then Personal Info. Tap the email field, enter your new address, and complete the verification process. Method 2 uses the web portal. Go to dasher.doordash.com, log in, access account settings, select contact information, and request your email change. Method 3 involves contacting DoorDash support directly. Use this for complex cases or when the automated methods don't work. You can reach support through the app or help.doordash.com. All methods require verification. You'll need access to your original email, may need to provide photo ID, confirm personal details, and allow for a 24 to 48-hour review period. Having access to your original email significantly speeds up the process.